This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We're going to be looking at worded simultaneous equations. Here we have our example, and it reads, 2 pens and 5 rulers cost $10.50. 3 pens and 4 rulers cost $11.55. Part 1. If P is the cost of a pen and R is the cost of a ruler, write 2 equations to represent the information above. So 2 pens, 5 rulers, we're going to write that as 2P plus 5R, and the total is $10.50. Then we have 3 pens and 4 rulers, so that's 3P plus 4R equals $11.55. So we'll give that equation 1, or name that equation 1. We're going to name the second one equation 2. Now part 2 says solve these equations to determine the cost of a ruler and a pen. Here we have our first equation, 2P plus 5R is $10.50. Our equation 2 is 3P, which was 3 pens, plus 4R, 4 rulers, has the cost of $11.55. So what we do is we need to eliminate one of our terms. So we have the P term, pens, and we have the R term representing rulers. So we have decided that we're going to eliminate R. So to eliminate R, what we do is we multiply equation 1 by 4, equation 2 by 5. So you would notice that it is actually the opposite. These are the coefficients of our R term. In equation 1 is 5, in equation 2 it is 4. So we multiply by the opposite, 4, 5. Let's continue. We're going to multiply 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times $10.50 is $42. That's equation 3. Then we're going to multiply in equation 2 each term by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. 5 times $11.55 is $57.75. That's our equation 4. Now you notice that our R term has the same coefficient. It is 20. So there's a rule. Same signs subtract, referring to these signs here. They're both plus. Okay? So we're going to subtract. So when you take 20 from 20, you're going to get 0. And then we're going to take 15 from 8. It's going to give us a negative 7. Negative 7p. Then we take 57.75 from 42. We're going to get a negative $15.75. So we need to find the cost of 1 pen. So we divide it's negative 15.75 by negative 7, and that's going to cancel out the negative signs, and 7 into $15.75 is $2.25. So the cost of 1 pen is $2.25. So we're going to use that value that we worked out, substitute it in equation 1. Equation 1. So where we have P, we're going to substitute it with our solution, our answer, $2.25. And we write back plus 5R equals $10.50, exactly what is in equation 1. So 2 times 225 is $4.50. We would have taken that and subtract it from our total of $10.50, giving us 5R is equals to $6. So we want to find the cost of one ruler. So R is equals to $6 divided by 5. R is equals to $1.20. So finally, 1 pen will cost $2.25, and the cost of one ruler is $1.20. It is your turn. Here we have another question. The cost of 3 dresses and 2 tops amounts to $280, and the cost of 5 dresses and 3 tops amounts to $455. Find the cost of a dress, find the cost of a top. You can leave your solutions in the comments below. Looking forward to seeing your answers. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.